The definition of welding, what we can say that the definition of welding we can say in general, it is a process of joining two material plates and makes an integrated one. The material which generally is weldable are metal and their alloy. The welding is sometimes applied some other types of material like thermoplastic. Actually thermoplastic is a material which generally during heating it's melt and during cooling it's solidified. That means during heating it's plasticize and during cooling it solidifies. So this thermoplastic, the example of thermoplastic is like PVC, that means acrylics, then nylon, different types of materials which can be weldable. In welding the heat is supplied either by electric arc or by gas torch or by some other means like mechanical means, it can be radiation energy means. Okay. The most essential requirement is heat, but in some process pressure is also employed. Weldable can be categorized as welding. We will go to practical application of welding process. Generally there is in regular fabrication it is generally used in automobiles, cars, aircrafts, refrigerators, ships, offshore structure, etc. In repair and maintenance work we will get the application in joining of broken parts, rebuilding worn out component, etc. Here I will show you a few important application of welding process. It has lot of application. We have seen that welding has lot of application. Here we will show you a few important application in different industry. Like in aircraft construction, we will find the application in welded engine mount, turbine frame for jet engine, rocket motor, fuel tank, fitting, etc. In automobile construction also we get application like arc welded car wheels, frame side rails, automobile frame and brackets. Then we can get the application bridges in pier construction, then selection length, etc. In case of building also we get different types of application of welding like column, base plate, trusses, erection of structure. In pressure vessel and tank also it has different application like clads and lined steel plate, clad and lined steel plates, shell construction, joining of nozzle to the shell. Like in storage tank also, oil, gas, water storage tank. In railroad equipment like rail, underframe, air receiver, engine, etc. Piping and pipelines like roller plate piping or rolled plate piping, open pipe joint, oil, gas and gasoline pipelines, etc. In shipbuilding industry like shell frame, deck and bulkhead stiffeners, girders to shell, etc. Track and trailer also there is lot of application of welding process. Then machine tool frame, cutting tool and dies also it has lot of application. Household and office furnitures also it has lot of application. In addition to this industrial application or fabrication application, it has also like repair of broken and damaged component and machinery such as tools, punches, dies, gears, press and machine tool frame. Fabrication of jigs, fixtures, clamps and other work holding device also done by welding process. Now here is a very important aspects of welding application in hospital building, especially in hospital building, like being noiseless as compared to riveting. Welding find extensive use when making modification, addition or extension in hospital building. Now classification of welding process. First of all, joining process classification I will explain. After that we will go to classification of different welding processes. Generally joining process are basically classified into two different types, which can be mechanical bonding or atomic bonding. Generally mechanical bonding in these categories, this mechanical bonding further categorized into two different categories. One is temporary and permanent or semi-permanent categories. In temporary category we will get screw element, and permanent or semi-permanent joining process can be rivets, it can be stitches, it can be staples, it can be shrink fit. And in the categories of atomic bonding, generally welding is the main categories. Now classification of welding can be done based on the following different aspects. Here I am showing that 6 major aspects generally followed for welding classification, which generally welding we can classify depending upon the source of heat, it can be depending upon the application of pressure, it can be depending upon the different phases of base and flare material, it can be depending upon the composition of joint, it can be depending upon the position of electrode, and finally it can be depending upon the mechanism. So, one by one of this classification I will describe in detail in next slides. First of all, depending upon the source of heat, that means which source we are using to do welding. Depending upon this source of heat, this welding process can be further categorized into another 6 different categories. This source of heat either can be arc, from electric arc, it can be from gas reaction, it can be from resistance, it can be from thermochemical reaction. This heat also can be from mechanical energy, and this heat can be from radiant energy. So, depending upon this thing, generally this welding can be categorized like this. That means it can be arc welding process, it can be gas welding process, it can be resistance welding process, it can be thermochemical chemical welding process, it can be mechanical energy welding process, or it can be radiant energy welding process. So, different welding techniques name depending upon this. This is the most important. That means here generally I am showing different welding techniques name depending upon the source of heat. Like in arc welding, there is around 8 to 9 different categories of welding process are there, that I will tell. That means in arc welding there is around 8 to 9 different welding techniques is there. In gas welding there is another 4 5 different categories of welding process are there. In resistance welding, that means where the source of heat is resistance, here also we can get around 5 6 different categories of welding process. Then in thermochemical welding process, there we will get around 2 3 different kinds of welding process. In mechanical energy welding process also we can get around 5 6 different categories of welding process. And finally, radiant energy welding process also we can get 2 3 different types of welding process. Now, one by one I will tell in details. Like based on source of heat from electric arc, it can be carbon arc welding. In short form, generally in short form it is written like CAW, that means carbon arc welding process. Generally this short form is widely applied in industry as well as in research article. This types of short form generally we can find. So, to see this short form itself, we should recognize what is the name of this welding process. Like in metal arc welding, this metal arc welding or its short form is generally shielded manual metal arc welding, SMAW. It is represented like this. Then tungsten inert gas arc welding also is there. Its short form is generally TIG, that is tungsten inert gas, or it is more popularly used as GTAW, that is gas tungsten arc welding process. Similarly, metal inert gas arc welding process, it is also represented in short form like MIG or GMAW process. MIG means M for metal, I for inert, and G for gas welding process. Okay. Now, in GMAW it's like gas metal arc welding. This short form of these things, GMAW full form is gas metal arc welding process. Then plasma arc welding process, in short it is represented as PAW, that means plasma arc welding. Submerged arc welding is, in short form it is represented as SAW, that means submerged arc welding process. Then electro slag welding process, it is represented as ESW. Electro gas welding, generally it is represented as EGW. This should be G, electro gas welding. Generally in case of gas welding, that means where the source of heat is gas, this welding can be oxyacetylene welding process, it can be air acetylene welding process, it can be oxyhydrogen welding process, it can be pressure gas welding process. That means in case of oxyacetylene gas welding process, the heat is generated due to oxyacetylene gas reaction. Similarly, air acetylene, here heat is generated due to air acetylene reaction. Oxyhydrogen welding process, here generally heat is generated due to oxyhydrogen reaction. Then in resistance welding, there we will get different types of resistance welding where the heat is due to resistance heating. So, here generally we will get different types of welding process like butt welding, spot welding, seam welding, projection welding, percussion welding, flash butt welding. So, these are the welding process, generally these are all in the categories of solid state welding process, especially in solid state welding process. Then in thermochemical welding process, there we can get thermite welding and atomic hydrogen welding. Then in mechanical energy welding process, there we will get frictional welding process, ultrasonic welding process, diffusion welding process, force welding process, roll welding process, and explosive welding process. And the last category is, that is radiant energy welding process. Generally this radiant energy welding process, we can get the energy from, we can get heat from radiant energy. That's why this is called radiant energy welding process. It can be electron beam welding, the short form is EBW, and it can be laser beam welding, that means laser LBW.